Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samyal. Today we will be seeing how to make a restaurant style butter chicken. It's very easy to make, but the process is little longer, but it's worth doing it. Let's start. Okay, first we will do the marination. Make sure that you marinate this chicken for at least 20 to 30 minutes prior to preparing the gravy. Add yogurt to a bowl and ginger garlic paste, little bit of turmeric powder, red chili powder to this. This is homemade chili powder wherein we mix coriander seeds, red chili and little bit of jeera and all dals and all. I'll make a video of it. And this is Garam Masala. So yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, homemade chili powder, Garam Masala and salt. Mix it well to make a smooth paste. Okay, see, the yogurt is little thicker, like I have hung it for some time, so that I made sure that there is no water in it. Even if you don't if you have little water, or if it is the curd is little the watery, it's okay, but make sure the amount of water in curd is less. Okay, I'm going to add oil to this. Always for the chicken marination, if you add oil, the masalas getting into the chicken would be much more better. So I'm adding in chicken, boneless chicken. I have used the thigh piece today. Okay, make it to required sizes, like I have made to 1.5 inch cubes. Mix it nicely. See, always the marination, if you keep it in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes, it is equivalent to a marination of 1 hour which you keep it outside. So once you marinate this, cover it and just keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, we are going to make the masalas now. So it is going to be 2-3 different masalas. So we will fry each and every ingredient separately. I'm adding in tomatoes to little oil. So I'm just covering it to make sure it is not splittering out. Okay, see, the tomatoes are soft now. Take it away. Then to the same oil, little bit oil is there. If you want, you can add little more oil. I'm using ginger and garlic, chopped ginger and garlic to this. See, once you just fry it like this, you would have little bit of roasted smell that will give a an additional flavor to the gravy. So our ginger and garlic is done now, fried. Okay, keep it separate. See, onion, ginger, garlic and cashews can be done together, but I am doing it separately. Okay, now we will add in little more oil because oil is not there. So I'll add little oil to this, and now I will add chopped onion. There is no need for you to just chop it in proper size because it is going to be sauteed in the oil, and we are going to grind it to a paste, so it is okay. See, every time I'm covering it just to make sure that it is not splattering out. No, it's not required to just cover it. It's once this is also cooked well, we can take it out. Okay, so in the same kadai, I'm adding in little more oil and 7 to like cashews for this for this gravy, so that it will be soft and rich. As I told you, cashews, onion and ginger garlic can be roasted together. Okay, cashews are done now. Okay, I'm adding little bit of oil for frying the chicken. Make sure you use a pan, the same pan we are going to use the gravy also, because that residuance of that chicken oil will give an additional flavor for this. So now it is around more than 30 minutes. I have kept it in the refrigerator. I'm going to fry this chicken now. Okay, you can see always my cooking is covering, and cooking is like it's just to make the stove top always clean. Okay, it is done now. Little more time, we'll just turn it to the other side. Okay, as it is boneless, it will be cooked very quickly. So we'll just take this out and put the remaining chicken to the same oil. If you want oil, you can add more, but this is enough for this chicken to cook, so I'm not adding anything more. See, you can just don't take over this thing apart. We need this for some for some more preparation. Okay, now I have grinded the the onion, cashews, ginger garlic separately, and the tomato paste separately. So I'm going to add in red chili powder. This is pure red chili powder. This is, the spice is more, so I'm just using a little bit. Add a little bit of Garam Masala. The salt for the gravy. We have added the salt only for the chicken. Make sure you add it for the gravy. Check it properly. And this is Jeera powder. And this is Amchur powder, which is dry mango powder. Okay. This is little bit of garlic powder. This is optional. If you need, you can add it. See, this I have shown the tomato, that fried tomato. I have grinded it to a smooth paste, and I'm adding to this. Add little bit of water. Okay. See, if you want to add tomato paste to this, you can add. This is store-bought. But if you want only the tomatoes, like you can add little more tomatoes when you're frying itself. But I thought that this would give an additional softness and softness to the gravy. So I'm just adding a little bit of tomato paste. Okay, our chicken is ready. Fried chicken is ready. In the same kadai, I'm using the butter. Okay, this is the main ingredient for butter chicken. Okay, make sure you use it in the same pan. Add little bit of jeera and the onion, ginger, garlic, cashew paste to this oil. Before adding onion, I'll add chili. Okay, now the onion paste to this. Just fry little bit. Already these onions are fried well in the oil. All ginger, garlic, everything is fried well. So need not to cook for a longer time. Just 2-3 minutes is enough. Add little bit of sugar. Little bit of sugar, not more. And we will add this tomato gravy with all the spices. Just add to this onion mixture. See, you can see that already we are just getting a soft silky gravy sort of thing. See, it seems like I'm just making it for a long time, but if you just fry tomatoes separately and onion, ginger, garlic and cashews separately, it's done in one go. But I just want to show you separately, so that's the reason I'm just doing it. But it's worth doing all these process. I'm adding in one bay leaf. Okay, just let it take that flavor also. Okay, after 4-5 minutes the gravy is boiled well. Okay, I'm going to add in chicken. See, according to the consistency, if you want to add water, you can add it before adding the chicken, not after that. Before adding the chicken, You can just check for the consistency of your gravy and the spices, everything you can do it. Okay, once the chicken is added, just crush little bit of Kasuri Methi, dry methi leaves to the gravy. Okay, always the butter and dry methi leaves has got a good combination. You can, if you just try any gravy with butter, you can add dry methi leaves. Okay, and our coriander leaves. That's it. Okay, the final touch up for this gravy is our cream, fresh cream. That's it. Our butter chicken restaurant style is ready. You can try the same gravy with vegetarian version with paneer. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samyal. Thank you so much. Bye bye.